Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage email campaigns in Hubspot CRM. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how do you create an account on HubSpot? Don't worry, I got you covered. Launch in a browser of your choice. And once you do that, locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type hubspot.com. That's going to take you to the official website for HubSpot. Once you get into the website, to the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the sign in and the sign up button. Now, the sign in button is to sign in using an existing account, while the sign up button is to create a new account. Now, whichever of the processes that you follow through, just go ahead and go through the on-screen prompt to sign in. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a little features to have an exciting time in HubSpot CRM. So that's it. Now that we're here on this homepage, let's hop into today's tags. Quickly, how to create and manage email campaigns. On this homepage, check the top corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple tabs: contact, conversations, marketing, sales, commerce, service, automation, and reporting. Now, if you want to create a marketing campaign or email campaign, go ahead and click on marketing. Once you click on this, you're going to see this extended menu: art, email, landing pages, website, socials, SEO, campaigns, design tools. So you're going to have to head over to this campaigns window where you're going to click on that. I'd like you to know that you cannot create an email campaign if you are not subscribed to the premium version of HubSpot. That's the Unlock Campaigns with Marketing Hub Professional. So this is it. So you can only create a campaign once you head over to start a free 14-day trial and follow through the process to sign up to Marketing Hub Professional or sign up as a Marketing Hub Professional. But I'm going to take you through the process. So once you sign up and you have, made payment for that and you're not professional, once you go into this campaign tab, I'm going to walk you through the process. Number one, head to your HubSpot account and go to marketing and then campaigns, which we've done. And then in the top right corner of your campaign, in this campaign tab, that's in the top right corner, you're going to see find and click on create campaigns. So click on that. And once you click on that, configure your campaign in the dialog box and enter your campaign name. Make sure that the name is unique. All right. And then the next step is to select a campaign owner. You're going to see a prompt that's going to allow you to do that. After that, select the start date and end date. You're going to see a prompt that will allow you to do this. And then select the campaign color if you want to tweak it to what you like. Remember that all the tags associated with this campaign will fit in the select color. Take note. And then the next prompt is to summarize the objective and the goal of your campaign. Once you're done, you can see the prompt where you have to enter an audience and a budget for your campaign. Once you're done, add any important notes. You're going to see that tab for you to add an important note. And then the next thing is click on create, which you're going to see right here in that create window. That and your campaign will appear in the marketing calendar. So to go to the marketing calendar, head to marketing and then head to campaigns. That's the same campaigns window that we're in. And then click on the calendar tab that you're going to find within the campaign window. So that's pretty much it. Once you click on the calendar tab, you're going to see the campaign that you created. That's pretty much how you can create and manage email campaigns. You can follow through with this process to create to you can follow through with the on-screen or the step-by-step processes to get acquainted with the steps. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.